Hey guys, today we're going to talk about applying an EQ sweep on rap vocals to remove any harshness. The frequency range we're looking for is around 5K to 8K. This is where the harshness in a vocal usually sits. This can easily ruin a song if the vocal isn't smooth to the listener's ears. Let's use band 5, this way we don't move the bands before this and we can focus on just this range. For finding harsh frequencies, we'll do what is called a notch. First we'll boost the frequency way up, narrow the Q, sweep to find the bad frequencies, then pull the gain down to remove them.
Crazy lately, it's a maybe, I know better, yes I can. Move it to it like I do it, I can move it better than. Crazy lately, it's a maybe, I know better, yes I can.
Sounds like right about 5K we're getting some ringing. Let's notch that out and give it a listen.
Crazy lately, it's a maybe, I know better, yes I can. Move it. Crazy lately, it's a maybe, I know better, yes I can.
Sometimes more than one notch might be necessary depending on the vocalist and what kind of mic was used. The highs are sounding good. For more on EQing, make sure to check out our other blogs.